Scrapbooking isn't just about pretty layouts. It's about our stories, our memories, sometimes even our healing. And honestly, creative life can be lonely. Sometimes we don't just need a tutorial. We need someone to sit with us in a messy, beautiful creative process. Hi, I'm Lydia, and today we are trying something new together. Scrapper to Scrapper. So, if you've been around this channel, you know me. I love a good Photoshop tutorial. Layers, masks, all the fun nerdy stuff. And that's not going anywhere, but I've been growing behind the scenes. And I realized I want to share more than just techniques. I want to talk about the why behind what we create. Things like creativity and confidence, journaling and mindfulness, growing as artists, and honestly, as people. I'm calling it Mindful Scrapbooking. And instead of just telling you about it, let me show you what I mean. I want you to try something with me right now. Go grab one photo, just one. Not your best photo, not the most Instagram worthy one. Pick one that makes you feel something. Here is mine. And this is just a photo of stacked rocks I did when we visited the White Mountains, New Hampshire, 5 months ago, chasing the fall colors. When I look at it, I feel inspired, and I can still picture that day so clearly. The sound of the water brought a real sense of peace and calm. It keeps things real but adds just a little texture with a steady and gentle and quiet sense. Now, normally I jump straight into layout design, right? Pick a kit, build the background, clip the paper. But today, before any of that, I just want to sit with this feeling for a second. What do I want to remember about this moment? Not what it looked like, what it felt like. So I'm keeping this layout simple. I'm not reaching for every element in my stash. Not those pretty papers and embellishments calling your name from the store. Just a texture that evokes a feeling of calm, a font that feels quiet, and a few words, not a paragraph. Just the truth. That's it. That's mindful scrapbooking. Story first, feeling first, completion over perfection. I'm really excited about this next chapter. We are going to have real conversations here. The good, the mistakes, the oh gosh, what am I doing moments. And I hope you'll share yours too. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment and tell me what is one memory you've been wanting to scrap but haven't yet. Tell me about it. I'd love to hear. And if this kind of thing speaks to you, please subscribe. We are just getting started. Thank you for being here with me. And as always, keep on scrapping.